What's up, Kid Too Technical? I want to say thank you to Torres for sending me out their case for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So pretty much we're just going to unbox this and take a look around the case on the device. But you can pause this video and read the information for yourself if you want to. But it does say worry-free quality products, worldwide happy users, 10 plus years of considerations. So let's just get this unboxed and get it on the S22 Ultra and see if I like it, which I'm pretty much sure I will like it. But here's you a little QR code scanner. You can scan that if you need to. This neat little rocket ship. That's neat. It says, "Let's start a wonderful journey." So that is a nice touch. I'm gonna put that right there. So pretty much this is what you get. This is a case from Torres. It has a kickstand to it, which is a nice touch. And it has this smoke black feel to it. This is what everything looks like on the sides. It feels good in my hand already. Get your cutout for your S Pen. Nice cutout for your camera. It says Torres. So now I'm going to pick up my S22 Ultra. We're going to place it in like so. And we're going to test everything out. So pretty much you get your power button. Nice and clicky. It's nice and clicky. You also get your volume up and down button, which is nice and clicky. Down here you get all your cutouts. So you get your USB-C cutout, your speaker, nice cutout for your S Pen. As you can see, you have no problems with your S Pen. You also get nothing on this side. On the top here you get your microphone, and this is what it looks like on the front. So pretty much this is a nice case. I would recommend you have a screen protector with this case. At the moment I currently do not, because this case does have lip, but the lip is thicker on the corners, on the edge, on the edges of the device. It's thicker on the edges, and it's thinner on the sides because this S22 Ultra does curve, so you lose screen protection on the edges because this case does curve. But you could probably still place it flat down on the table and be okay. But like I said, you might want to have a screen protector on here, but I'm okay with not having one on here. I'm just very careful with my devices. But overall, this does look good. Maybe I wish it had a bigger lip on the edges, but I guess it can't because this is a curved device. But overall, this case does feel nice. It's thin, lightweight. It doesn't add any more weight or bulk to your phone. And on the back here you get a nice cutout for your camera, but I am rocking a camera protector on the back, so if you place your phone down flat on the table, you definitely have nothing to worry about. You are good to go. And you also get that kickstand, which is nice. So if you want to watch your videos, you can watch it like this, or you can also stand it up like this and, you know, do whatever you need to do. So I'll have a link to where you can pick this up in the description below. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.